All right, so today's haul, if you will, the accomplishment of today. Let's start down here. So the whole trailer has been sort of gone through, and let me just say I put my foot through it right there like an idiot. I just stepped right there and my foot went all the way through and I burst through the subfloor and the skin underneath, which I guess makes me repair it better than it was. Okay, so there's some rotten flooring. This rotten flooring here is going to come out. This is all going to get cleaned. I'm going to basically hammer it to where the good wood is, you know, and then determine what, you know, subfloor replacement wood needs to be. So far I'm looking at just the whole back. I'm just going to do the whole back new here too, new. You know, I mean, this is just a sheet, you know, just like a sheet right here, you know, just replace the sheet, just yank this off and just drop a new sheet down if possible. If not, then just a square piece there and a square piece here, because the wood is actually really good around it, just as long as you cut about 6 inches away. Underneath the furnace, boy, I'm glad I pulled the furnace up. That's all I'm going to say, because all of this wood is getting replaced, all of it. See, what happened, what I'm thinking is that the front door was left open and rain just got in repetitively, and when it got in underneath the floor that was put in, and that's a big no-no. You can't just put a floor in an Airstream. Those stupid vinyl floors, you can't do it. That's why I'm choosing this custom-made flooring that I've ordered specifically, that's going to glue down all the way. One piece, ladies and gentlemen. Not one area for water to get in. And it's going to be sealed on the sides. All the way around, sealed. There's even going to be a lip. I'm still deciding whether I'm going to go directly against it or whether I'm actually going to go up a few inches and do a lip around. I might just do the lip, because that really adds a lot of peace of mind, knowing that lip is all the way around the circumference of the trailer, keeping moisture out of the wood. And of course I'm using treated wood, unlike Airstream, who do not use treated wood. I can't understand why they would do that. You must always use treated wood if you're using a subfloor. Always. If you can't afford it, then wait till you can, because this shit happens. If it was treated wood, it wouldn't have rotted. That's all I gotta say. But there it is. That's how she's looking. And I don't know what day this is, but I'm so glad to be getting to this point, because after I yank out the toilet, the refrigerator, and whatever extra, these two upper pieces, that one down the end there and this one right here, and the herb rack, if you will, then I will vacuum out the whole space so there isn't a speck of dust in here, and then starts the subfloor replacement.